pass. Going to toss it out to Stacy Pension, hanging out in Churchville. What a great evening for a barbecue. There's a 7-day for you.
John, it is absolutely perfect out here. The 7-day forecast here, Thursday, even better than today. Back into the mid-70s, full sunshine. Friday, back into the 80s. So if you like the summer, you know what? Friday's your day. Saturday, Sunday, we do have a little rain, but not a washout, so not all that bad. All right, we mentioned today is a perfect day for a barbecue, and we're having a little bit of a country barbecue. We're here in Churchville. There's so much land. It is beautiful out here, and we're with the man who is running the grill here. And one of the reasons that we were supposed to come here was because of your grill. Apparently, you got a really nice grill.
It's a typical grill, yeah.
I don't know much about grills.
It's a good grill. Does the job.
So you're cooking up the Salen's hot dogs and the Alex's ribs, and why were you put in front of the grill here?
Because I'm not good with mingling with people, so I stay here. This is comfortable.
All right, so tell me why. Well, you're supposed to be somewhere else right now, but
yeah.
you're here with us, and we're thankful. Where are you supposed to be?
The West Side Theater Company is doing the production of Beauty and the Beast this weekend, and the rehearsal's starting in a few minutes, but I'm a little late, so I'll be there.
He apologizes for being a little bit late, but we have really important things going on right now. Backyard barbecue. We have a swing set over there. We have a baseball field back behind that. See the kids waving? Yeah, they're having a good time. We have lots of food and a trampoline. I am definitely getting in that trampoline. Say hi, everybody. You're on TV. We have a really good crowd here. Lots of kids. Promise you it's going to be a fun time. I'm going to send it back to you guys, and I'm going to get some food because we just put this on, and I need it.
Step up, Stace. Don't be shy.
Yeah. Thank you, Stacy.
You know what? Scott gets it every single Wednesday, and I'm jealous, so I'm going to dig in this time.
But you've got the perfect weather, so.
I know.
And good friends. Thanks,
Pretty.
Stace.
Thanks, Stacy. Next.